Oh, hello guys, welcome with another video of Learn Tech with Mr. Tech, and today our video is about aeroplane lights, and I have saved it. And in at night, if you hear a noise like this, that of a aeroplane, you may go look, and you can see some lights are blinking. And today I'm going to do that. How to do that? I'm going to show you the code with C++ language. And let's go to our video. And I'm using here three lights, two variables, and three pins. Okay, let's go to our video. Here we are first typing int ly equals here 50 semicolon, two forward slashes for comments. Here we are typing variable for time delay, and to the next line here also a int here ly2, and here we are typing 350 semicolon and two forward slashes, and there we are typing variable for time delay, and here we are typing 2 also for future references, and here we are typing void setup, and there we are typing a two brackets. We don't have parameters, those two brackets are for parameters. Two curly brackets for those as boundaries. There we are typing pin mode. There we are typing 4 and semicolon. No, be after 4 comma output, and up here you can put, if you need, two forward slashes, setting up the pins. There again you can type pin mode, two brackets here 8 comma output semicolon, here pin mode, two brackets 12. For this you need to use PWM pins, and those are easy to find on the Arduino Uno board because they are marked with a curved line in the Arduino Uno board. And to our next one, void loop. Though these are actually functions, and here and there we are typing digital write and two brackets. There we are typing 4 comma high and semicolon. Here we are typing delay, and here we are typing DLY, not DLY2, DLY, and here we are typing digital write, and here again follow and semicolon. Here we are typing delay, two brackets. Here we are typing DLY2 and semicolon. Here we are typing digital. Write again, and there we are typing here 8 comma high semicolon. Here again a delay, and two brackets. There we are typing DLY and semicolon digital write again and two brackets. There again 8 comma high semicolon, and here again delay. There we are typing DLY2 and semicolon and digital right and two brackets 12 comma up here it should be low actually 8 comma low. Here high and there we are typing delay and there we are typing DLY and a semicolon there and digital right and here also 12 and comma low, and here we are typing delay. Today this time no DLY or DLY2, we are typing 3500 and there's it. Our code is over for today, and I will zoom it for a better look at for you. And here's our code right here. I will just go slowly, and if you want, here you can type operating the LEDs like that, and now here like that, then this, and our code is over for today. Have a nice day and subscribe my channel, hit the like button. If you have any problems about this video, drop it down below and hit the like button and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button too to be updated with my newest videos. And hang on with my videos with Learn Tech with Mr. Tech.